Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
You understand? So these people, only one white man me love, you know.
A dead white man?
No, you only dead now, but only one white man me ever hear about.
Why we say that? No, why we say that? No, why we say that? No, I have to make it clear. Because we're the panel.
Yeah.
See? And Malcolm, tell me that, you know.
Yeah.
So, him love John Brown.
Then no John Brown you gotta talk about, man. A John Brown you gotta talk about, man.
About the thing?
A John Brown
so
you
why,
gotta talk about.
you know, we still look quiet. Let's men's we still look quiet. Listen, you say, I want white man you like, right?
Yeah.
And I'm me I talk to you, know?
Yeah.
I'm just reply and say, I dead white man.
I'm dead too.
Yeah, John Brown.
Yeah.
Can,
but oh, I'm dead. And that's the thing.
I'm dead for we?
Yes.
I'm dead for we?
Yeah, of course.
So this is what I tell us now, say, me can't reason.
Yeah.
Because we're not out of sync.
Yes.
If you draw a car,
so
remember the car.
Go back to the state.
Come here, go back to America.
Where you did say in the 70s.
Yeah.
And 60s. All I would the dep on one.
Yeah, so John Brown had our friend from back then because I'm dead for we.
We did dep on our page, you know.
Yeah.
But now them youth are dep on to them people are
page, yeah. Because we still dep on our page, you know.
Of course.
That's why we still love John Brown.
Yes.
We just talk so we don't have no white friend and then we come back and say John Brown our friend.
The youth know who John
Brown is.
And what John Brown do for them.
Yeah. But you see, because that's how I bring it up, because me I struggle with something where I go on and now. And me I try to want to build back this thing here. Yeah? So when I talk, for us talk sake. For some reason, no generation, they must say Black American as Yankee and somebody different from them. Right? When me go America, you know, style. When me go America, when me did come to England, there was not too much, there was a lot of Jamaican here.
Yes.
But they were a different generation from me.
Yes.
They were the Windrush. Me are the Windrush, you know.
Yeah?
Me are the Windrush.
Yeah.
Me come see the Windrush, and the Windrush to me, there is nothing about them. Them are all snigger.
Yeah.
Me not pretty that up.
I'm compliant.
Yeah. Me come here from a different generation now. We come here, we did free.
Yeah.
I have a own mind. So we never have to come join nothing. Yeah? When we come here, there was a lot of black youth, English youth like me.
Yeah.
You come see a lot of black English youth like me here.
Yeah.
There was not a lot like me coming. So therefore, me have to assimilate. See the word?
Yeah.
So when me come here, me learn to live with the black English youth them.
Yeah.
I will learn off of each other.
Yeah.
See? So to me today, if I go to South London, when I come to South London, I come to West Dulwich, Strawberry Road, Amisfield, and then I come. And from there, so, I end up in a Lewisham, Deptford, New Cross, now the ghetto, punks, proper English youth.
Yeah.
And them youth there, they love me and embrace me.
Yeah.
So I never come here and fight down English youth.
Yeah.
So when they see me, if they see me 20 youth, I'm alone a yard man amongst them.
Yeah.
And they never show me, I peer love them show me.
Yeah.
So I don't have nothing against English youth. To them is a big man. A lot of yard man can take English youth. And I tell them, no man, I'm a youth them man.
Yeah.
Because even if me say a yard, if me say a English youth who are 40-year-old right now, 10 to 1 me the yard man pick me.
Yeah,
And 10
grand pick me.
yeah, and 10 to 1, me know my parents. Because back them time when I come and everybody know everybody. That's how the country used to be. Because blackness was a different thing back then. 45 years ago, a whole land and black.
Yeah.
And next thing what people don't understand, 45 years ago, there wasn't too much outside of the Caribbean. There was not too much African around here on the ground. When you see an African around here 45 years ago, he must go into university to study to go back and run him country.
Yes.
He wasn't around here, living around here.
To stay around.
To stay around here. He was around here on a program, I work with him at a case, right? And he might go to university to get him degree to go back and run him country.
Yes.
Yeah? 45 years ago, we were the backbone of around here. Yeah. So now moving from around here, when we go to America, yeah, at the same time, it was the same thing where we'd have to assimilate with the black Americans.
Yeah.
And in assimilating, cultures merge. I learn from them learn from we. Now, 1 minute. Let me just dash with the phone here. Hello? Hi. Yeah, you can have something to eat out of it, okay? All right, and you take care. See you in a minute. Yeah, bye. Yeah, sorry about that. That was my little daughter just come from school and she have to report to her dad. Yeah, that she's home. So that's part of my government.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm going to tell her what pardon there and all these things. Yeah. So, 45 years ago again in America, because before we get to America, on a level, but tell a man the other day, say, 45, and I tell you this earlier on record, 45 years ago, the world was a different world than we know today now. Yeah. In every aspect, you know. 45 years ago, yeah?
Yeah.
Me could have dare talk to you right now, and the next hour, me just left us so right now, left us so. Never pack my suitcase, just left her, jump on the train, go to the airport, walk up to a desk, and say, I'm looking at a flight to New York. I'm paying £80 or £60 one way. I'm gone. America, I'm there.
Yeah.
Tonight, 10 o'clock, I call her, and you're the after say, I said, Danavan, you know, say America, I'm there.
Yeah.
But I New York,
Yeah.
that's 45 years ago. There was no check and balance. So in America, when I spend in America, a week, 2 weeks, a year, pick up myself again one morning, say, go for Danavan. Let's go to the airport, and buy a ticket, one way again, come in.
All right. You see what, Mister? To what now? What is the buzzword now?
Security.
No, in this time where we are living. What the buzzword is now?
The buzzword.
It's 2 words actually.
Yeah.
Social distance.
Yeah. Yeah.
That are the buzzword.
Right now.
But that word was starting to implement from them time. People think say, I just know them coming. Look on airline travel like you talk. Me hear you did that on another program and you talk about Freddie Lake.
Yeah. That's how I bring that guy. That was a good time.
Yeah, all right. Them get rid of Freddie Lake.
Yeah.
And
That make it
replace
so easy.
No, don't make it easy. Them are parasite. These people, the British people, are buccaneers. You have to understand them. Each European have a different characteristics. Yeah. These one, wait till the other people capture the land. That's why a Spanish did have Jamaica first. And then I think the French come after, try and make it and never work. and the British come, him are the dominant one time. Him know for thief and the thief.
Mm-hmm.
So him is a pirate, you know, but not an ordinary pirate. Him is a buccaneer.
Yeah.
So him not try take it.
Him be a support royal.
Yeah, him not try. No, me I talk before that.
Yeah.
Him not try capture the land himself, you know. If it there ain't nobody that him go for the weakest link. But him see a next man with a treasure, him a go for it. And him know to snatch things out of people. This guy, right? I call himself Britain.
Mm-hmm.
We call him Great Britain.
Yeah.
Yeah? Him know to snatch things out of people. I saw the one that come thief the island of Jamaica, and him come thief it from him.
Yeah.
All right. Now. You did a talk about the youth then. Nah, read. Them I read, but what them I read? What we did I read a different something. What we did I read did make we together as one. We are read about Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, Haile Selassie. All of the things them that make we one cohesive force. That when me and you can talk, we can talk to one another. No, you talk to them youth and it's like, wait, him really I live in my world?
Yeah.
Is he for real? You understand? Is he so blind that him can't see the thing them that are going on?
You know, on the reading thing. See my little daughter who 11-year-old.
Yeah.
I have her right now read Marcus Garvey Life and Listening. You know?
Yes.
So she can have a different conversation.
Of course, but we did read them thing there. If
Yeah.
our parents never show it, when you read 17, 18, right? Where I read them book there. Look, we could go back now to even the riots in Jamaica. You would never see that happen now, that them deport a man from Jamaica and them riots,
Yeah,
a black man.
about it, yeah.
Like what them did do.
Walter Rodney.
You would have never see that. No. Can nobody no business with him. Everybody become selfish. No, this man was bringing knowledge come and people said, no, you're not getting the part the knowledge, otherwise you can't function easy. And so the poor people them riot. I know even so much the rich people them uptown.
Poor people.
Poor people riot because that man they did attack on our behalf. Because that man discovered what was happening in the system and he wrote about it. And these people never like it. The same people who we attacked on King Street and they carry out them racist things which you never see. Because nobody never did point it out to you. Say, the reason why this man have the store is because him stop your mother and father from do that.
Yep.
That is racism. Him not have to like him. But him not to stop him from build a shop. From build a do you know say all these Indian shoppers sell Aki and all the West Indian product? Them stop West Indian from African people in our West Indian.
But listen this now. But listen this now. See? I like how you jump at that now because I'm sure something now. I go up as a gangster.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you that now. I go up as a gangster. Now Rasta, but I go up as a gangster. And today, when I see a manifest as gangsterism, I don't understand this. Because 50, 45 years ago, this couldn't go on. 50, 45 years ago, product from Jamaica would have locked that down. Because would have make a guy know, say, no guy couldn't come to Jamaica and him alone have the right to export out our food.
Yeah.
Unless you give me some food. And you have to give me enough food so I can give me people some food. You understand? And you have to itch something upon the thing for me too.
Yeah.
Yeah? So now, how this happen? How we become so complacent that we allow everybody to take away everything from us?
Yeah, what? Yeah, 3 brains in your body. You have the brain, you have the heart brain, and you have a gut brain.
Yeah.
The gut is a serious brain. Like control.
I don't go brains.
Eh?
I don't hunger brains that.
No, it have hunger in that, but the point one me make is that courage it responsive.
Okay.
Right? And not full courage. You understand? A serious courage of your survival and the broader picture. Not just a narrow survival, but the broad survival picture. So you not just look, as them would have said in the academic world, you not just look on the micro, you look on the macro.
Yeah.
No. Them youth, them not have the courage to challenge white people. You see people like you now, you might do it for the wrong reason, but you don't have this. Only the guidance you know they need from people like Marcus.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Because I'm just tell you so we are gangster. You see Richard Brandson?
Yeah.
Virgin?
Yeah.
Him signed the Virgin Tappa Zuki, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you have to know now how we run our program.
Yeah.
Back in a apartheid time,
Yeah.
yeah? So him signed Tappa family in the 70s.
Yes.
So Tappa, some people back know Tappa Zuki a bigger artist
Yeah.
in terms of being signed by
Yeah.
big company.
Yeah.
Him tell Tuku say, him want Tuku for go do a tour in South Africa with the police,
Which police?
the group named Police.
Okay.
And Tuku say, no man, me not tour no police.
I'm not like the name, none of that.
Tuku say right now, not tour with no police. Him not go on South Africa in apartheid or tour with no police. No white group.
No white man. Yeah.
And Virgin say, well, you violate the contract
Yeah.
because you for do what we say for do.
Yeah.
You see when them say, him violate the contract,
Yeah.
and I go put shelf Tuku.
Yeah.
You know how we deal with that,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
You see him officer Madison Square Garden, at 12 hours going to that gun spinning, you know.
In America?
Yeah,
Yeah.
gun spinning.
Yeah.
At Madison Square Garden, and take the contract back from him.
Yeah.
I want to hear breeze, bro, about that.
Yeah.
So I tell you the levels where we bring to the thing.
Yeah.
You see? Them shelf took off of that.
Yeah.
But we did take a quick
Them
contract.
can't sue.
Don't got to show you.
Well,
the levels.
this is
It's levels, you know.
this. Yeah, the third brain one me attack.
Yeah.
Yeah, that these youth, they are afraid of white people. Them not,
See what's problem that Jamaica now
Them-
when it comes to white people.
them no different to the so-called Windrush generation they attack in terms of the third brain.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are confront that now.
Yeah.
You understand? So, the one that over here, when my mother generation, don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, you have to keep out of trouble and you have to keep out of that. Them one you know, them think them smart. Them one they never think them smart. Them one that think them smart and they know everything. And them are the biggest danger to themselves. This is why you see them can't believe that these people there, we send them go a club because them get sitting in other hand, they left hand, or the right hand. You understand? Then we, then we just want to go a club. In our ideas, we want to go a club, but we not go a certain club if we know so certain things are going to happen.
Yep.
You understand? Keep that blood clot, sorry, because
Yeah.
we not go there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we have a standard that we not drop below.
Yep.
You understand? We have a standard that we not drop below. And why is it that even in a few time, you see, people only respect people who respect themselves. And people who are no-nonsense people. Oh, you got to expect somebody for rate you when you not rate yourself.
Well, when you can understand, D, is how we end up giving everything we didn't build for ourselves and for our survival.
Yes.
To the other people.
No. Here one.
That them took it and how we give to them now.
Yes. I'm going to tell you how it happened. I'm going to tell you how it happened. You see the thing where the Windrush generation built, and to a lesser extent, our generation. Never passed down. Most of the people have never passed down because the people them who they come here from the Windrush generation, you know, say 5 years them come from.
Mm.
Yeah.
I ain't a power stay.
Condition make them
Overstay, yeah.
Right? Because them end up with a youth, them are 2-3 youth, and then get back down in the school system, then get back down in that. Them have to see if you try buy a little piece of property in Jamaica, and so on and so forth. When they get the property, some of them get the property, some of them get the house over here, and then decide, so well then, here what now? We can't afford both of them. So what will happen now? We will use that property there, sell it and move on. But not for the time them offer it to the children them, and the children them don't want it.
Yeah.
No, over here.
Yeah.
Over here. Them get a nice house, or some house all are Brixton of all places. You know them all 4 floor,
Yeah, man.
5 floor them house they have. Then buy them in the back in the base and fix them up and nice. And when they must sell the house, well, before them sell the house, them will offer them pick me the house and say, look, I'm going to take some equity off of the house, buy that, buy my house at Jamaica, and all you do is continue to pay the mortgage. And then you them take the house and sell them. Want money for go sport and buy car and whatever. You understand? Both enough of them go to Jamaica and then get abused down there and want to come back now. They end up back in the council flat, which are where them started. Some of them never even start. That's under terrible condition, and the landlord them they end up all 4 or 5 people in a one room pay rent. Every man pay rent in there. So them go through a horrible time, and the children, them don't understand that. Them never go through no roughness. Them get a powder puff pick me them. Them never understand what it was to strive and achieve these things. You understand? And them squander it. And so we lose most of it. You understand? Because the next thing now, a policy come called ethnic cleansing. But they don't call it ethnic cleansing. What do you think them call it? Gentrification.
Yeah.
Well, me and you know some white man a gen come on. You understand? Black people are not gen come on. You understand? So what gentrification means? That they get use economic power to run black people out of a particular area. Well, a place like Brixton are used to full of black people who own house town. We not talk about council house and that, which them include in the gentrification and run them out too. But what them do, when those things were going on, they were offering over and above the price of those houses. Yeah.
Sorry.
You are sorry, okay, we are sorry as well.
No, I want to see my
So,
you're making video.
is this a private, is it a sign that you are making a video? I'm sorry.
Yeah, we asked you to leave.
You are asking me to leave.
Yeah, we asked you to leave, please.
Why do you have the
Because
authority
you
to
come
ask
here,
me to
come
leave?
to doing something, we have to leave.
Is this a private area?
Yeah, we don't need to discuss that. If I come here and see you, I wouldn't be doing this.
Okay, for how long? For how long? Because we are training here.
You have half an hour.
1 minute. Yeah, let's talk about it. You do something you ever even understand?
Yeah, we are.
All right then. All right, we'll leave there then.
You have half an hour. Do you call the police?
No, you don't need to call police. You don't need to call police. I'm the police. You don't need to call the police.
It's okay, just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just a few more minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Talk about call police. What the fuck the police can do? Nobody need that talk. Our police, you know. Fucking foreigner to call fucking police. This is what we're talking about. We run this. Yeah, and take him fucking self.
Yeah.
We talk up this thing. Because this finite thing too.
Yeah.
There is no way we'd have come and see them doing this.
And stay.
Not only stay and even interrupt it.
Yeah.
Yeah? So they think that their fucking color, yeah,
Yeah.
give them the right to come to this.
Yeah.
And when me hear, oh, me come out, him take him bomber clad self.
Yeah.
Because that's how it have to. Let me tell you something. This is the way I go on. This is the way wrong round here, you know.
Yeah.
This is the way wrong round here, you know, Bridget.
Yeah.
Yeah? Danavan, look on it. This is the way wrong about here.
Yeah.
If we were some like a pussy, we'd have to stop with thing now and take ourselves.
Yeah.
Who the fuck is them? Him come friends in blood clot jump coming to this post wall in my town. And then I'll tell me more call blood clot police and slap him in the face. I'm saying why? Because I'm gonna slap him in the face and the camera and kick up him post wall and show him say, this is all round and run.
Yeah.
Pan the camera. I'm saying why? Now bad boy in a this. No person come tell me because if a black man come and look while, he won't be that way. The man say, can I show right up?
Yeah.
But them come look while, everything no come back.
Yeah.
Fucking mean call police.
Him nah come
You
back.
know, this is the point that we have to get now.
Him nah come back.
You know, I want to go in there. The point is, when you deal with them post the wall, it's the first go. As opposed to talk about time at the thing level. What the fuck you think you're going to call the police going to happen? What's going to happen?
No. You know, them I work off of the New York thing. The girl in the Central Park. You don't know about that incident.
Yeah, but she never talked to the right man. If she not talk to the right man, that wouldn't get so far.
Yes.
If we never talk to him, that will get that far.
Yeah.
Post it take for yourself. Because you come see it. Since a public place, you come see it, and you use it already.
Yeah.
So you go find somewhere else, because there was no sign say your program going to run. Wait. So you take for yourself, you come see a program run.
Yeah.
A simple thing that.
Well, this is part of the program. I tell you, say them are run. Right? Because what them, the youth, them not teach them no respect, no order. Them take out the power from the parents. This is why those fuckers can come here and see something happening and don't say, well then.
Excuse me,
right,
and talk
if
to
me
it.
come here, so I see two people come there, so if me ask if me say, okay, and if a man say, no, you know, so we are do something and then we move back. If me say a man and a woman sit down there, me not staying. Because I know so them want them privacy. These people don't understand it.
You know, give me half for. What the fuck is it give you half for? And then I'll call the police. What the fuck? Man, take for yourself, man. Police, come and take police, take for themselves, too. Simple.
Yeah, nice.
And if you come back here, I slap up your blood clot. Simple, because I can't do that. Simple. But this is, me tell you something. That's why me love me, you know.
Yeah.
Me love me, Danavan. I tell you the truth. Me love me. Because I not drop my caption, I not drop my ball, you know.
Yeah.
See? Me just tell you I'm not a white friend. So I'm not a friend. Simple.
Yeah.
Simple. And that's stay upon it. Either you can edit it out, but the original, you have that.
No, like we said, I have certain things where I'm going to put.
Yeah.
Yeah, certain platform you can't go back.
Yeah, simple, but you have to know, say, yo, that be the man where they come and take our blood, about us, about your cup. But getting back to the American part of the thing.
Yeah.
My thing with the American part of the thing, see, today, it seems that there's a shift in cultural understanding and cultural embracing.
Yes, because of the taking away of the parents thing. The first shift what take place in 1966 in this country.
Not this country. Okay.
The legalization of homosexuality. And that's how the bankrupt morality started. You see, after World War II, these people were trying to be civilized because they went through great trauma in our World War II. They were a thing where before that they have a thing called upstairs, downstairs. But World War II made them have to join together and hide from bomb. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And so rich and poor did have to share the same house and the war effort. That never happened in the history. So afterward now, after the war done now, them try to civilize themselves. But like me say, it in their nature, them can't keep it up for long. Them a sprinter, them on a long distance runner. Them can't keep it up for long. So after, by the time the 60s and 70s come, them start. Cause anytime you left them on their own, them get freaky and crazy, you know. You understand? Because there's no order for them.